purpose of this interactive and face-to-face communication sessions. I have already posted my Zoom lectures on YouTube for SMBT Dental College Sangamner. Now, what is the purpose of these lectures, especially with the demonstrations of skull? Because I want face-to-face interaction, because you will be facing viva face-to-face. Remember, this is a health sector. The examination will be face-to-face. Now, middle cranial fossa is a large topic. So I am focusing viva related few questions. Of course, this is not an entire coverage of the topic. Of course, you can divide it into central part and peripheral part. Now, central part, they ask optic canal. Look here. How to show? This is probe. So this is optic canal. Now, the question follows after optic canal. Structures passing through optic canal. Usually students say optic nerve, ophthalmic artery, yes, 2-point formula, rather 2-finger formula, optic nerve and ophthalmic artery. You have to be confident, but if you want to secure distinction, you must tell sympathetic nerves, because optic nerve, ophthalmic artery and sympathetic nerve. Now 3-finger formula. Of course, we are describing central part of middle cranial fossa. These are interactive sessions. Optic nerve, ophthalmic artery, and of course sympathetic nerves. Now this is a purpose of face-to-face section. Examiner may ask, what is applied anatomy of optic nerve? I am repeating, what is applied anatomy of optic nerve? How optic nerve is related to blindness? I want student to read that. Now again we are in central part. This is location for pituitary. I'm just showing important landmarks which are asked in exam. We are still in the central part of middle cranial fossa. This is for pituitary. Now bit of lateral side. This is foramen lacerum. Now next part you have to prepare what passes through foramen lacerum. Similar, remember what I told you in optic canal. This is foramen lacerum. This is foramen oval. Look here. This is foramen oval. And of course bit you can see the foramen spinosum. So what I shown you for optic canal, foramen lacerum, foramen oval, foramen spinosum and most important pituitary fossa. Of course pituitary fossa में और दो चीजें आएगी, anterior posterior crinoid processes, sella turcica. लेकिन टेक होम मैसेज क्या है? ऑप्टिक क्या जाता है? ऑप्टिक नर्व, ऑफ्थैल्मिक आर्टरी, sympathetic nerve. Now foramen oval, most of the students remember like this. It gives passage to MALE, male, that is mandibular nerve, accessory meningeal artery and bit slow, lesser petrosal nerve and emissary vein. But during emergency, students may only say mandibular nerve. Now what passes through foramen spinosum? Middle meningeal artery, middle meningeal vein and meningeal branch of mandibular nerve. Next question may follow, middle meningeal artery is a branch of which artery? Yes, that is the purpose of face-to-face discussion. Let me again focus towards goal. What is our goal for this face-to-face discussion? Because examiner will not stop once you tell the structures passing through foramen spinosum. Yes, middle meningeal artery is a branch of which artery? And yes, what is applied anatomy of middle meningeal artery? Yes, you must remember which type of hemorrhage or hematoma it causes and what results after that hematoma. Thank you very much.